Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of July, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 that's StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of June, 2025, our system has ranked UnitedHealth Group as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.08. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently reflects a loss of -1.41% since our initial hold accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.47% since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is positioned in the upper part of a very broad and declining trend in the short term. This situation may typically present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A break above the upper trend line at $349.39 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline and could potentially be the first sign of a trend reversal. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, there is an indication of a possible change of -44.25% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from -76.65% to -36.67%. From a longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of -31.99%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -46.59% to +20.08% over the upcoming year. In today's terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $164.26 and $369.32. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, UnitedHealth Group stock price fell more than 5.7% Wednesday, closing at $307.56. The UnitedHealth Group stock price decreased by 5.7% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 2nd of July, 2025, dropping from $326.14 to $307.56. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.2%, ranging from a day low of $306.49 to a day high of $322.42. The price has seen ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 0.42% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 18 million shares were exchanged for approximately $5.52 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $630.73, while the lowest was $248.88. Currently, the price stands at 51.24%, or $323.17, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth Group stock has faced considerable volatility recently, decreasing by approximately 5.9% today. This decline is accentuated by gains in the broader market, with the S&P 500 and NASDAQ both making advances. The company's stock price has fallen dramatically from a high of $620 early this year to around $325, indicating a loss of investor confidence. Recent developments concerning Centene, another significant entity in the healthcare sector, have further intensified negative sentiment. Centene's stock dropped sharply after it reduced its earnings guidance for 2025, raising concerns about the overall vitality of the industry. This mirrors UnitedHealth's challenges, as it too has reported disappointing quarterly results and experienced management changes. Charts suggest that UnitedHealth stock may be forming patterns that indicate further declines, which is causing concern among analysts. While there are discussions about its potential as a cheap buy, given the current valuation, it is advisable to exercise caution before making investment decisions. The prevailing sentiment indicates that, without clear signs of recovery in operational performance and earnings guidance, the stock may continue to be under pressure in the short term. In the long term, if the company succeeds in stabilizing its revenue streams and restoring investor confidence, the stock could become a favorable buying opportunity as valuations normalize. However, without proactive measures to address recent performance issues, the outlook remains uncertain. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned UnitedHealth Group a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned UnitedHealth Group an overweight rating along with a hold action. On the same day, Piper Sandler also assigned UnitedHealth Group an overweight rating with a hold action. Additionally, on that Friday, Wells Fargo provided UnitedHealth Group with an overweight rating and a hold action. Earlier, on Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, KeyBank issued a negative rating for UnitedHealth Group, also accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to UnitedHealth Group stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio also as sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as buy. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. The UnitedHealth Group stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, there exists a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average, which stands at approximately $309.29. In the event of a decline, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $304.51. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, May 15, 2025, and so far the stock has risen by 12.10%. Continued upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the near-term developments. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 33 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 53 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 48 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group finds support from accumulated volume at $302.98. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is likely when the support is tested. This stock typically trades at a substantial volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered low. Over the last day, the stock moved $15.93, which is 5.2% between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.31%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low price-to-earnings ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company or indicate that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.16. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $311.38. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, UnitedHealth Group faces its first support level at $302.98. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of July 2025, Hemsley Stephen J. conducted an insider purchase of 198 shares of common stock. On the first day of July 2025, Slyn Timothy Patrick conducted an insider purchase of 288 shares of common stock. On the first day of July 2025, Hooper Michelle J. conducted an insider purchase of 173 shares of common stock. On the first day of July 2025, McNabb Frederick William Ferd conducted an insider purchase of 294 shares of common stock. On the first day of July 2025, Noseworthy John H. conducted an insider purchase of 288 shares of common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive with a ratio of 97.380. In total, insiders purchased 873,925 shares and sold 11,097 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $298.21, reflecting a decrease of 3.04%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, indicating a lower risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 32 days ago. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group presents several encouraging signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Instead, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate option while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 3rd of July, we anticipate that UnitedHealth Group will open higher by $4.60, beginning trading at $312.16. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below to share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.